Got a favorite finfluencer? This one guy I found? A Forex wizard. Forex is the foreign exchange market. It's all about buying into currency pairs and profiting off the spread. My Forex wizard made some sweet recos and even showed me how to leverage my investments. It sounded like a fast track to lifestyles of the rich and famous. Until I lost way bigger than I expected. I should have checked to see if he was a registered investment advisor, but I invested anyways, because listening to a rando on social felt like advice that was hot off the press. Here I was on the first day, and on the last day, when I realized I learned how to make great craft beer by using reliable sources of information, learning the process, choosing great ingredients, and knowing when it's okay to experiment. Turns out, that's a recipe for success. In brewing and in money. Don't be me. Brewing up a nice little portfolio starts by following the right recipe.